inviting us here in Fort Bonifacio, to be partners with the Fort Bonifacio Development Corporation in running the artificial pitch that we have seen before. And we'd like to express our appreciation to Fort Bonifacio Development Corporation for putting up a world-class artificial football pitch. Football development is hampered here in the Philippines because there's a lack of facilities and infrastructure. The turf will be a big help in providing a venue for not only the games, but also for a venue for our national team, women's and men's, especially for the Malditas, so that they can hone their skills. And PFF and FBDC will ensure that there will be a lot of football activities in this turf, thus maximizing the use of the football pitch. We'll have, I think, football festivals here, football clinics in the future, and it will be a joint effort between the PFF and Fort Bonifacio Development Corporation. And I'm glad that, before we had a pitch in Ayala, we called the Ugarte football field, that was provided to us by the Ayala Land Corporation. That was about 30 years ago. Some of you are not born yet, But we used to play club football in Ayala, along Paseo de Rojas. When I was a member of the University of the Philippines football team, actually we won the Lobregat Cup against I think San Miguel team in Ayala. That was 1974. So now we have a new pitch here in Bonifacio, and I hope that a lot of football activities will be held here, and rest assured that we will provide that together with the FBDC. And lastly, we hope that other institutions will follow the lead of Fort Bonifacio Development Corporation in assisting football development by providing more infrastructure or more football pitches all over the country. Thank you, Fort Bonifacio Development Corporation.